Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your AOL mails in bulk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with entering your account credentials. After you have entered your account credentials, you will be logged into your account and taken into your AOL homepage. Now, if you wish to delete your emails in bulk, then click on your inbox or any folder from which you want to delete your emails. Once you have entered this folder, you will find all of your emails within this page. If you wish to delete all of these emails, you can click on the checkbox at the top side and this will select all of your emails within this folder. You can also manually click on the checkbox alongside each email to choose just the emails that you wish to delete. Once you have selected all of the emails that you want to delete, you can click on the delete option at the top section and this will directly delete your email that you just selected. If you wish to permanently delete this email, you can click on the trash folder at the left side and you will find your email that you have just deleted. You can click on the trash icon at the right side, or you can also select your emails that you want to permanently delete and then click on the delete option at the top section. You also have the option to restore your email by clicking on the restore button if you change your mind about deleting this message. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your email messages in bulk on your AOL Mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.